So when you insert a symbol, and let's say we're going to insert a breaker, 3-pole breaker, maybe a magneto with thermal differentiation or something, and place it down, you're able to assign a manufacturer and part. When you assign a manufacturer and part for the first time, and let's say we want a GV2 30 amp, and I'm just going to pick, let's say I'm going to pick this particular part. What will happen, it will say, do you want to map the symbol to the catalogue number for the first time? So if you do, what that basically means is that the next time, rather than placing a symbol and assigning a part, what you're able to do is right click over the part to place the symbol. Now, if a part doesn't have a symbol association, what you're able to do is pick this icon with the little circle and arrow in, and you can still do it that way by selecting a symbol and mapping it. And you can see now if I right click over this symbol, you'll see that I've got a association. Now, and when you what that means is you can place it down and build this symbol to the according to it. So the other thing that you can do is you can right click over a component and you can select edit, and if you just pull this catalog browser into the middle, what you're then able to do is edit the value. So as an example, you can see the symbol here, but if I wanted to pick something else, you can see that you can associate not just this, but you could actually add another one in here. And you can also browse to the symbol from here as well. So if I suddenly decide, no, it shouldn't be the thermal with differential, it should be this one, I can select that one and update the catalog browser with the preferred symbol 2D. Whilst we're in here, you can also see symbol 3D, which is the IPT or IAM association, but that can either be set by the electrical engineer or the mechanical.